Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be diving into the net volume indicator. Okay, let me just see if I can bolden it a bit. All right, okay, let us work with this. I think it's more visible this way. So if you have been struggling to get a clear sense of market sentiment or to spot hidden buying and selling pressure, then this indicator is definitely something you would want to add to your toolkit. Okay, so we want to look at how you can use this indicator and how it can give you a huge edge in your trading. We're going to be breaking down what it is, how it works, and how to use it in your trading strategy. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on future trading tips and strategies. Let us get into it. All right. So, what exactly is the net volume indicator? Well, the net volume indicator is a tool that shows the difference between buying and selling. It shows the difference between buying and selling volume over a given period. Okay, I need to just correct this quickly. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so this indicator helps you to find out the difference between buying and selling volume over a given period. So in simple terms, it gives you a snapshot of the market's flow. All right, how much buying pressure versus selling pressure is happening at any given moment. By analyzing this indicator, you can see whether buyers or sellers are dominating the market and get a better sense of the trend's strength. So here's how it works. The net volume indicator tracks the volume of trades for both the buy and sell sides. If there is more buying volume than selling volume, the indicator will show positive net volume. All right, we can see that in the indicator bar, can we see that there is a zero level and there is a negative territory and a positive territory, right? Above the zero level, we have the positive territory. Below the zero level, we have the negative territory. Okay, so if there is more buying volume than selling volume, the indicator will show positive net volume. This means buying pressure is stronger, which could signal a potential uptrend, right? And then on the other hand, if there is more selling volume than buying volume, the indicator will show negative net volume, suggesting that the selling pressure is stronger and a downtrend might be forming. Essentially, it helps you understand where the market's energy is. Are we in a bullish market, or is there more downward momentum brewing? So now let's talk about how to read the net volume indicator. It's relatively simple, yeah, but incredibly powerful once you understand the basic principles. The net volume is displayed as, you can see in the indicator bar, right? You can see that it's displayed as a line indicator that navigates between a high value and a low value, well, between the positive territory and the negative territory. All right, and each the indicator can be used across different time frames, right? Depending on the time frame that you want to work with, depending on your trading style and strategy. Okay, if the bars are below the zero line, it indicates negative net volume, showing stronger selling pressure. But if the bars are above the zero line, it shows that there is more buying pressure in the market, indicating positive net volume. One key thing to remember is that the longer the lines, right, in one particular direction, the more significant the momentum. Okay, for example, we notice this lengthy line up here rising as high as this point. It shows that the market might be on the verge of a strong uptrend, and well, as you can see, we actually had a significant rally around this point, right? So how can you use the net volume indicator to improve your trading? Okay, it's all about understanding market momentum and knowing when to act on it. First, use it to confirm trends. Okay, if you see a strong upward move in the market, check if the net volume indicator is showing positive net volume. If it is, that's a strong confirmation that the buying pressure is real and the trend has momentum behind it. This could be a great time to enter a buy trade. On the flip side, if the market is moving down, but the net volume indicator is showing negative net volume, it's confirming that there is strong selling pressure, and you might want to consider selling or holding off on buying until the trend shifts. Another way to use the indicator is by looking for divergence. Divergence occurs when the price of an asset is moving in one direction, but the net volume is showing a different signal. For instance, if the price is going up but the net volume indicator is showing negative or weakening volume, this could be a sign that the upward trend is losing strength and a reversal might be near. So this is an important signal that can help you avoid getting trapped in a false breakout. Also, be sure to watch for volume surges. All right, big spikes in the net volume bars. Okay, watch out for such things like what happened here. Right, these can indicate a potential breakout or breakdown. As we can see, there was actually a breakout from this. Right, you can see there was a breakout around, from this consolidation phase. Right, can we see that? We had a breakout from this consolidation phase, and you can see that around that time we had a spike in volume. Now, while the net volume indicator is powerful on its own, it works even better when combined with other indicators. For example, you can use it with moving averages to confirm trends. Yeah, for example, if we're going to be adding the moving average, right? If we're going to be adding the moving average, let's just use the 50 EMA, for example. Yeah, let's use the 50 EMA. All right. So if the price is above the 50 EMA and the net volume indicator is showing strong positive net volume, that's a solid indication that the market is trending upward, and a long trade could be a good idea. Another great combination is using the net volume indicator with support and resistance levels. All right. If you see positive net volume as price approaches a support level, and the price starts to bounce, this could be a strong signal that the buying pressure is real and a reversal is likely. Conversely, if price is approaching a resistance and negative volume starts to rise, that's a sign that selling pressure might push the price lower, right? Okay. You can also use the net volume indicator with oscillators like RSI or stochastic oscillator. Okay, you can actually use this net volume indicator with momentum indicators like this. All right. For example, if the RSI is in overbought territory, but the net volume indicator is showing weak buying pressure, it could be a sign that the price is ready for a correction or reversal. Now, before we wrap things up, here are a few tips for using the net volume indicator effectively. First of all, do not rely on it alone. While it is a powerful tool, the net volume indicator works best when combined with other technical indicators, chart patterns, or fundamental analysis. Secondly, always look for confirmation. Always use the indicator to confirm the price action. If you see a breakout but the net volume indicator is showing weak volume, be cautious and wait for stronger confirmation. All right. Thirdly, adjust your settings. Okay, depending on your trading style, you might want to adjust the time period used by the indicator. Shorter periods will give you quicker signals, while longer periods may help you spot more sustained trends. All right. And then finally, always practice in demo. If you're new to the net volume indicator, be sure to test it out on the demo account first. It will help you get comfortable with reading the volume bars and using them effectively in your strategy. So to sum it up, The net volume indicator is a great tool for understanding market sentiment and detecting hidden buying or selling pressure. By helping you see the true momentum behind price moves, it gives you an edge in identifying trends and potential reversals. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on more valuable trading tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.